My fruit, my veggies, my fruit, and my veggies. Ow! Hey guys, real quick before this vlog starts, I just wanted to talk to you about something that is changing my life. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have my signature smoothie. I call it the Warrior Mama smoothie. And then my most favoriteest company of all, Teami, sent me their Mixit bottle. And I had to show you this because it has changed the game for me. It's literally my cup. My cup is the blender. I still can't wrap my mind around it. It's the most genius invention ever. So this is where you charge it. It's just like a little window right here. I love it because it has this sport top. All you do is push the button, and there you go. The details of the ingredients will be on my Instagram. This smoothie was so poppin', and I got such good feedback from y'all on Instagram that I saved it as a highlight so that you can make your own Warrior Mama smoothie whenever you want.
Quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and
okay, my last step was just to add my water, pop my lid on. I cannot wait to show you how simple it is to make my smoothies every day now. That's that, guys. My Warrior Mama smoothie is done. I love this because if I needed to just run out the door or go somewhere, I don't have to dump it in a cup. I don't have to worry about dirtying anything else. And that recipe is the best. So guys, I wanted to let you know that Teami was nice enough to let anyone who watches this video, follows me, if you're interested in the Teami Mixit, you can get 20% off of your purchase on the Teami website just by using my code Burr20. I'll put all the details in the description bar below. If you're trying to implement a healthy lifestyle and it's hard for you to remember to do things like this or have the energy or motivation to do something like this, this is the best thing for you, and you hands down need it. Not to mention, you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money on a smoothie maker. Overall, I just love this product so much, and I'm reaching for it every single day. I don't even need my fancy pants blender. So guys, check out the link in my description if you're interested in getting a Teami Mixit as well. I'm so happy to be vlogging. So you probably don't know this. Actually, I'm positive you don't know this. The past 2 videos on my channel were pre-filmed, and they were filmed a long freaking time ago. Like, I have not vlogged or picked up my camera in so long. I mean, I'm filming like a behind the scenes, like, surprise vlog thing for y'all. So I have been filming some behind the scenes stuff that is to be continued. Very big, exciting things that I cannot wait to share. Anyways, I'm happy to be vlogging. I've missed it. I've missed you. Today happens to be 4th of July, and we have my little sweet little baby Ryder's first birthday. If you've been following me on YouTube for a while, you saw the vlog where I went with Whitney to try and get Whitney to go into labor. We had eggplant parmesan at Olive Garden. I think I even vlogged his gender reveals on my channel, and now he's turning 1, and I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. It freaks me out. So we're gonna go, is it kind of like stop by his first birthday just to like bring him his gift, say hi, give him, you know, some good birthday vibes, just because of everything that's going on. She's not doing like a big shindig. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna have a pool day for 4th of July. So we just dropped off Ryder's gifts. We're heading back home now. Matt's got his patriotic little outfit on, even though he didn't want to wear it, but that's okay. Ryder's party was so cute. It was 4th of July themed. And yeah, we're just heading home now. I think they're gonna come over and swim a little later. And then I don't know what we're doing for fireworks. What do you want to do for fireworks, babe?
watch our neighbors.
Watch the neighbor.
Yeah.
You don't think we should go to like a place that's actually doing fireworks? Or do you think our neighborhood will have enough? I didn't want to vlog inside the birthday party because it was just like family. Like, that's weird. So yeah, but it was really, really, really freaking cute. Time to swim. Are you scared, Mama? Are you scared, girl? You scared? We got your thunder jacket on. Yeah. What is wrong? Poor baby. Come here, Mama. It's okay. She gets so nervous with fireworks. Bailey's like the best dog ever, except on New Year's and 4th of July. Oh, it's not your fault, Mama. It's gonna be a very long night for her. Gonna be a long night. It's gonna be a long night. Oh, she's like crying. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I'll be there if you reach out to me.